How to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Let's start by locking a chat. Slide any chat to the left, tap on more and then select lock chat. You will need to use your Face ID, fingerprint or PIN to confirm. Now, when you reopen WhatsApp, you will notice a locked chats section at the top. But if you want to make it completely hidden, let's take it a step further. Tap on the locked chat section and confirm with your Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Then go to settings in the top right corner. Here, toggle on the hide locked chats option. Once enabled, you will be prompted to create a secret code. Choose a code that's easy for you to remember and confirm it. From now on, the locked chat section will no longer be visible on the main screen. To access your locked chats, simply open WhatsApp and use the search bar at the top to type in your secret code. This will reveal the locked chats section. You can then unlock your chats using Face ID, fingerprint or your PIN. And here we go. That's how to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.